Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Alright guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can easily fix your crochet hook, your lash hook. Okay, mine pulled off when I was trying to make a braided wig, and yeah, I've really experienced this like a couple of times. And if you're a braider and you make braided wigs, I know you might have experienced it too. So guys, here are the things you need to fix back your crochet hook. Alright, so you need a cotton wool, but I didn't show it, I forgot to show it, but I'm going to show it in a moment. And then you need a glue, you need scissors, and of course you need that gold stuff. Okay, that because we can get it from a weave. Actually got mine from a weave. You can use either the gold one or the silver one. Okay, whichever one you have around or whichever one you can get from a weave, you can use that. The only purpose for it is just for you to cover the cotton wool. Okay, it is just going to cover the cotton wool and going to make your lash hook to look beautiful, at least, because when you just use only the cotton wool on it, your lash hook is gonna look somehow. So here I'm showing you the cotton wool. You only need very little piece out of it. Okay, alright guys, so here I'm applying the glue from where the hook pulled out from. Okay, that's all you need to do. Apply the glue from where the hook pulled out from. You can leave it like this if you don't want to use the cotton wool, but using the cotton wool lasts longer than you just applying the glue and leaving it like that. Okay, when you apply the glue and leave it like that, it's not gonna last that long. When you try to force out the hook, maybe while you're trying to bring out a braid, from the cap, especially for in the front, there's some parts in the front that you need to apply force to pull out the lash hook. Okay, when you try doing that, it's gonna pull out. Okay, so when you put the cotton wool will help it to hold it a bit. I'm not saying it's not going to spoil, it is going to pull out, but you're going to use it for some time. Okay, I did this like weeks back and now I'm still using my lash hook. All right, so guys, once you're done applying the glue, you use the cotton wool to wrap it, and then after wrapping you also use the glue to apply on the cotton wool. Okay, when you apply the glue on the cotton will becomes firm, like it becomes strong, like it's blocked. It becomes very, very thick. You'll not even know it's cotton wool because it just gets so hard. Then afterwards, I'm using this gold stuff to wrap it around. Alright guys, so this is how you can fix your lash hook and use it to be able to get another one. Or if you just want to keep using your lash hook even if it pulls off, this is another way you can actually fix them and continue using it, unless the hook itself gets broken. Once it breaks, it's over. Like, that's the only way you can trash it. That's only when you can trash it. Alright guys, if you have stayed with me to the end of this video and you are not yet subscribed to my channel, kindly hit on the red subscribe button to get subscribed. Also turn on the notification bell so you get notified anytime I upload videos. And guys, if this video was helpful to you, kindly give it a thumbs up and share it to your friends and family. Alright guys, I'll see you all in my next one. Do endeavor to stay safe and be blessed. Peace.